Hello kiddies, today we're off to Falkirk, which is in Scotland, halfway between Glasgow and Edinburgh. Well, today we're at the Falkirk Wheel. Check out the size of that, it's huge, isn't it? So up the top of that is a canal. And then, because of the height of the ground, down the bottom is the other canal. And then of course the next one is down here. Height between down there and up there. So they've got this thing called the Falkirk Wheel. It's pretty famous. Apparently the power that it uses is like an electric kettle that hardly uses any power. So we'll watch this boat and you can pay to go on it and up it. I'm not quite sure whether I'm going to do that or not. But we'll watch this boat go in and we'll see what happens. So as we watch this go round, let's have some fun facts. It takes under 5 minutes to rotate all the way around. That thing, the gondola, the 600-ton gondola it's called, has 500,000 litres of water. It's got 14,868 bolts of steel and it says that each one has been hand tightened. And it's inspired by 7 bones of the whale's rib cage. Now we've told you it takes 8 kettles. It's able to take a load as heavy as 100 elephants. It's the first and only rotating boat lift. It's got a little library thing inside that you can learn all about stuff. It's a pretty exciting thing. So I hope you enjoy watching it spin around with a canal boat on it and lots of water as well.
Stop, yeah.
And if you're not sure how high it is, there's the building, there's the people, and it's up above the building. It's just massive.
I like talking to you then, yeah.
So that was a body in United.
This is absolutely shite. Well, as long as you're doing it through this game, yeah.
It's absolutely shite, bit Joker.
I thought we'd better add a bit of the Glasgow subway in. One of the oldest ones in the world. I thought it was pretty cool. The good thing about it is it just goes round in a circle. So if you forget to get on your stop, you just go round again until it comes up again. It was a great little way to get around Glasgow. There's another one. Oh, where are you going to go? Oh, he's up. Where's he going to go? Oh, he's coming this way a couple of steps. I got 2 hours. I was chasing squirrels. I've got 2 hours. Right, welcome to my little hostel. Got a shower in there. Bathroom with a toilet in there. And a little bed, a little room with 4 of us. They did have me in a bigger room. And I'm down there with all that rubbish. Problem is though, it's on the 3rd floor, isn't it? There's my view outside. So it's a lovely little hostel. I'll just flip you around. But the problem is I'm on the 3rd floor, aren't I? And I've just lugged that big case. I was only going to take hand luggage, I said. Well, that didn't work. So I had to climb up a massive hill to get here. And then I had to lug it up 3 stairs. But, you know, got to get fit for Italy. So here we go.